A few miles south of Columbia, South Carolina, sits a Superfund site known as the Lexington County Landfill area. Today, thanks to Lexington County's leadership, forward thinking, and collaboration with a range of stakeholders, the 160-acre Superfund site includes a range of wonderful recreational and public service facilities for surrounding communities. From the 1940s until 1988, the site accepted municipal waste. In 1989, EPA placed the site on the national priorities list because of contaminated groundwater. In 1996, Lexington County began leading and funding site cleanup activities with oversight provided by EPA and the state's environmental agency, the South Carolina Department of Health and Environment Control. This position allowed Lexington County to work with the Partee Driving Range and the Bray Park Road Ballpark, which had begun operating at the site prior to EPA's involvement. It also allowed the county to plan cleanup activities in a way that would allow these businesses to remain open during the cleanup of the site. The major stakeholders involved in planning the site's cleanup were EPA Region 4, the state, Lexington County, the University of South Carolina, engineering firm Richardson Smith Gardner, and associates and private developers. These stakeholders recognized the potential for additional recreational and public facilities at the site. As a result, the stakeholders group engaged in a reuse planning process to plan the future development of the site and to coordinate development activities with the schedule for site cleanup. To clean up the site, Lexington County consolidated waste, placed a cap over the site, regarded the site, and installed a landfill gas recovery system and a groundwater treatment system. The county also explored innovative and green cleanup options. To help construct the site cover, Lexington County used 30,000 cubic yards of recycled tires that the county would have otherwise disposed of at a landfill. In addition, Lexington County recycles treated groundwater from the groundwater treatment system by connecting it to the site's irrigation system, which is used to water and maintain the grass over the landfill cover. Maintaining this grass cover not only maximizes the stability of the site cover, it also helps support on-site businesses like the Partee Driving Range. EPA, the state, Lexington County, and Richardson Smith Gardner and Associates also collaborated with the University of South Carolina to redevelop the northern area of the site into the Coop, a top-of-the-line 9-acre golf practice facility for the university's golf teams. In May 2012, the University of South Carolina hosted a ribbon cutting at the facility with much fanfare. In addition to the Coop, Lexington County has also constructed a recycling center on the site, and EPA and the state also assisted Palmetto Falls Mini Golf Course with the design and approval of a new mini golf course on the site. Through cooperation with a range of stakeholders, Lexington County went above and beyond the necessary cleanup activities at the site to transform the property into a local recreational and public services amenity. The county has also both provided support for development of new community resources while protecting and improving the livelihoods of existing local businesses. These efforts have resulted in the renovation of a Superfund property into a vibrant community asset. In May 2012, EPA recognized Lexington County for its contributions by awarding the county with the EPA's Excellent in Site Reuse Award. EPA supports the redevelopment of contaminated properties and views the revitalization of communities affected by contaminated properties as a key component of its mission to protect human health and the environment. The Lexington County Landfill area site is one of many inspiring examples of Superfund site reuse taking place across this country.